Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're back again, plugging with Fumez, Rondodasosa. Hope I pronounce your name right, my G. Rondodasosa. First, I'm even hearing your name. So we're gonna jump in that one here and see what the freestyle is about, what you're saying, my G. Big up Fumez, engineer, big up yourself, my G. So let's go.
Shout out Fumez, Italy, 7-0.
No, that's ab style.
L'ultimo rapper che ha fottuto con me ora non canta più e probabilmente depresso a casa perché sai che non conta più. Non penso ai miei ops quando sono in Inghilterra. Siete quattro ratti tossici che vivono in via.
Is this guy Italian? The only thing I understand right this while ago was ops. That's all I understand. Ops and this. Sound good though. If you don't understand it, it sound good though. Remember, music is a universal language.
Ti ho lasciato fare le dirette e ti sei divertito. Sulla tua testa metto una taglia così poi mi diverto io. Non potrei fare le dirette quando sarei dentro un bosco con 5 che pisceranno sul tuo corpo. Ogni persona in giro per l'Italia ha provato a pull-upparmi solo perché mi odi stupido. Riprova domani.
Look at Fumez face. Fumez don't know what the fuck he's talking about.
Pull-upparmi solo perché mi odi stupido.
Look at Fumez. Fumez. What him just say a while ago? Tell me what him say a while ago, Fumez. What him say? Better never tell me what him say. I don't know what him say still. Like I said, it sound good. So it's not much for me to comment on or try to break down, cause I need it breaking down to me myself.
Riprova domani. Se devo contare ogni rapper che mi ha dissato, che mi ha scritto in DM la lista dei rapper italiani, probabilmente non finirebbe. Una homie minaccia se non rispondi, metto il tuo sex tape. Io gli dico oh sono rondo, se pubblichi faccio solo hype. Che lo Sanremo ma della drill, faccio il cazzo che voglio in Italia. Buco Nops, dopo canta come Mariah Carey. Questi rapper in bocca hanno il mio nome, se no non vendono. Sulla drill sei forte, ma non ti conoscono all'estero. La dico sa paura che io influenzi male la massa.
This different. This reminded me of when French kid did do Daily Duppy. I mean enjoy that. I can't speak French. I don't understand French, but I enjoy it. I enjoy it to hell. So this is similar to me.
Dateci i milioni ai miei fratelli, non saranno più per strada. Queste puttanelle sono impaurite, diciamo la verità. Vengono in zona 7 e dopo fanno il voto di castità. I tuoi poemi non mi toccano, hai fatto una storia. Quando stai calando poi ti ricordi che la drill va di moda. Sembrano gonfi come palloncini pieni d'elio. Mi sa che tu hai ispirato troppo quello che conteneva l'ego. Non importa se 30.000 al posto se strada poi ti fanno. Sono la voce delle trenches, faccio il moonwalk in mezzo al fango. Veniamo con due Rambo, ti roviniamo la festa. Prima di iniziare mi tolgo la corona dalla testa.
I'm hoping that he put a bit of it in English at the end. I mean, I know. This is what I'm hoping for, because like I said, I'm reacting to it, but I don't know what he's saying. So I'm just there a vibe to the beat and I listen to some of the words I'm gonna try to pick up, but it not connect. You see me? But big up yourself, team. G.
Sembra in WWE, impalio il titolo chi è il vero king. Ricordando che questa merda io l'ho portata mainstream. Singa, fumo Nops dentro una rizza. Il tuo uomo rapper famoso.
To me, listen.
Singa, fumo Nops dentro una rizza.
To me, it just sound like him stab up him ups them and smoke them in one Rizzler. That's how it sound like to me. That's my Italian. Listen what
questa merda io l'ho portata mainstream. Singa, fumo Nops dentro una rizza. Il tuo uomo rapper famoso, facevi la troia di Ibiza. Trap dentro al club, è stato massacrato. Ti sono caduti i denti, sembravi photoshoppato. Ricordo quella sera, nuovo albanese ti han pull-uppato. Se solo provi a rispondere mando gente in viale a blu. Schima sclero, cinga, gli cambiano i connotati. Tu sai bene chi ci abita. Facciamo guerra, se scappa il morto allora capita. Volevo fare musica e stare in pace. Mi avete dissato, adesso ve la faccio pagare. Dopo questa sarò sul cazzo, tutti chiudetemi la carriera. Tanto milioni in banca, posso dormire tranquillo la sera.
Fumez, the engineer.
Give me some English now. Give me some English, please. Please. Please give me some English.
Grind this shit like Rasta, me them foes smoking Zaza. Draco ratatata, chopper make like a lager. Pussy home, my grits, I like my baby mama. 50 shots and 50 blicky matches with my new Rihanna. I make history in my country, bitch, I'm baby go.
Yeah! Now we're talking! Now we're talking! Now we're talking! Yo! Okay! Here we go! Here we go! Here we go!
Grind this shit like Rasta, me them foes smoking Zaza. Draco ratatata, chopper make like a lager. Pussy home, my grits, I like my baby mama. 50 shots and 50 blicky matches with my new Rihanna. I make history in my country, bitch, I'm baby go. Italy to overseas, I started shit years ago. No spaghetti mafia boy, bitch, I'm Rondo. I don't think about my ops when I'm landing London. I have a connection in Compton, your boyfriend tired as Lomo. Fuck the police and Popo, if you know, you know, bro. Ini mini.
Fuck the police and Popo, if you know, you know, bro.
Bitch, I'm Rondo, I don't think.
Yo, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, bro. Yeah, dog, this is what I'm feeling it now.
Grind this shit like Rasta, me them foes smoking Zaza. Draco ratatata, chopper make like a lager.
What is up?
Pussy home, my grits, I like my baby mama. 50 shots and 50 blicky matches with my new Rihanna. I make history in my country, bitch, I'm baby go. Italy to overseas, I started shit years ago. No spaghetti mafia boy, bitch, I'm Rondo. I don't think about my ops when I'm landing London. I have connection in Compton, your boyfriend tired as Lomo. Fuck the police and Popo, if you know, you know, bro. Ini mini, mini mo, bitch, I'm litty, and you know. Pin your block, for the cops.
Ini mini, mini mo, bitch, I'm litty, and you know. Tell him, yo. Yeah, dog, alright, dog, alright, chill.
If you know, bro. Ini mini, mini mo, bitch, I'm litty, and you know. Pin your block, for the cops, 20K or I don't show.
Me know about any mini money more. Catch a puppy by him too. If you ever let him go, he really behind him more. Yo, boy, yo, yeah, if I go in.
Money mo, bitch, I'm litty, and you know. Pin your block, for the cops, 20K or I don't show.
Yeah, youth. Big up yourself, youth. Yeah, first track you done, bad. Although I couldn't understand what you said, I know you was chopping some lyrics like that, bro. I know you was spitting, bro. And the second one, when they start speak English, yeah, dog. You see me pull it up again? Yeah, dog, I pull it up again, dog. We enjoy that one still. Even though I couldn't understand the first one. And this is the first press play I listened to where the artist do two songs instead of one. So this one was well worth it. Well worth it. So he give the Italian them something where them can understand, and he give the English them something same way. You split it up, my G. Good. You deliver. Well done, bro. Well done. Rondodasosa. Sosa, big up yourself, my G. So this is how I'm gonna end that reaction. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. Please subscribe. Big up all the people where there's a view and don't subscribe yet. Big up on yourself. Alright. So we're out of here. You know what I mean? Look more. Peace.